cut that bit out. It's all part of the plan.
Someone moving up, watch yourself dead ahead. Whoa. Oh, that's the one. How's it going? I've still got this one guy behind the tree, I can't seem to shift him. Where? Wait a sec. That's it.
Shot.
There's someone else there as well. The guy in white was with him.
Alright, Paul's out there.
Yeah, we're going to get done on our left flank. This is maybe the time to fall back. What do you say?
Yeah, go for it.
Okay, I don't know where I'm going, but I'll run.
Hit!
You got a good few kills though, John.
I've done alright.